Let's solve a problem about the area of a rectangle. The base of a rectangle is increasing at a rate of 6 inches per second, while its height is decreasing at a rate of 1 inch per second. At what rate is the area changing when its base is 1 foot and its height is 8 inches? The first thing that we want to do is draw a picture. Let's draw a picture of our rectangle. Here it is. Next, let's write an equation for the area of the rectangle. Now we need to find a formula for the area of this rectangle. So let's call its height h, and let's call its width, base, b. So area of the rectangle is h times b. Now we differentiate both sides of the equation. Don't worry that we still have 3 variables instead of just 2. Everything will work out fine in this case. Let's differentiate both sides of this equation, remembering that all of these variables are functions of t. That means we're going to need the product rule on the right-hand side. So on the left-hand side, we get dA dt, and on the right-hand side, we get h times dB dt plus dH dt times b. Finally, let's solve the problem. In order to solve, I substitute the values that I know for all of these different things. The question is asking me what rate is the area changing, so dA dt is the thing that I'm trying to solve for. The question says I want to know what rate the area is changing when the base is 1 foot and the height is 8 inches. So base is 1 foot, which is equal to 12 inches. We've got to make sure all our units are the same. And the height is 8 inches. So here I have dA dt, the thing that I'm trying to solve for, is equal to height, 8 inches, times dB dt, plus dH dt times the base, which is 12 inches. Here, the base of the rectangle is increasing at a rate of 6 inches per second. That tells me that dB dt is 6 inches per second. So 8 times 6. And here, this says that the height is decreasing at a rate of 1 inch per second. So decreasing means it's negative, and the rate is 1 inch per second. So I have to multiply by -1 times 12. All right, so then dA dt is equal to 8 times 6, which is 48, minus 12, also known as 36. Right, so dA dt would be measured in square inches per second. That's our answer.